Hello friends, welcome to another video related to Chegg account. In this video I will tell you how you can recover your Chegg account. So don't worry, I am telling you the complete method. I will guide you from A to Z how you can recover your Chegg suspended account. And there are following reasons due to which Chegg account suspend. First reason is sometimes you share your account with someone else, so Chegg you suspend your account. Second is you sometimes change your browser, so it can suspend your account as well. Check. And if you use a VPN in your browser, so it can also suspend your account. And these are the following reasons by which Chegg account can account yours. If you see error like that, oh, this account has been identified as a shared account, it has been suspended due to violating our term of use. So don't worry, I am telling them whenever you see this error, go to your account option and go to your account and click on the my account option. After clicking on the account, you will see like that. Here you will see a contact us option. And you know, see that the button is contact us. Okay, after clicking on the my contact option, their live chat box will open. So here you will ask them, how I need to change swap my account registered devices. Okay, so you will see some account suspension in here. Okay, you will see account suspension after a chat with educate. After chat with clicking on the chat educate, then click on the enter your name. After entering your name, you will give the reason that my account has been suspended, please recover. So they will respond and they will ask you to reset your password and you will get your account in few hours. Okay, this is the method you can use. You can chat them here live, they will recover your account in few hours. I hope you will like this video. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section as well. Thanks for watching.